believed that dogs wait for us in the gates of heaven, and once we die, they guide our souls through. We celebrate this special bond of loyalty, compassion, and devotion by honoring our dogs every year. Marigold flowers symbolizes auspiciousness, and that is why we use them to make garlands for the dogs. Many celebrate this festival as Tihar, Diwali, Festival of Lights, but the reason behind the celebration is the same. Celebration of good over evil, celebration of health, wealth, and most importantly, one another. Although the belief is that dogs will help us in our journey to heaven one day, but for us, they already do that